How engineers do it.
Before we start today's video, I would like to ask all my viewers to subscribe to my YouTube channel How Engineers Do It. Share the video among all of your friends and also hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and in this video we'll try and understand what's the difference between efficiency and effectiveness. We often hear these two words from corporates. Most of the time we don't have a proper understanding of what is efficiency or effectiveness. So in this video we'll try and understand in the most simplest manner. In efficiency, it is about getting maximum output with minimum input. So now here we are focusing on the process, whereas in effectiveness it measures actual output, whether it meets or not the desired input, and this focuses on the result. Now let's try and understand this with an example. So let's say we have shop 1 and shop 2. In shop 1 we have a target of 200 number of parts which has to be completed per day, whereas over here in shop 2 we have a target of 200 numbers, but both have the same targets, and we are just giving them targets and we are just going to measure who is more effective and who's more efficient. Now they have completed 200 numbers. Both of these people have completed that, so we will say that measures if actual output meets desired input. We would say that both shops are effective. Now let's see what are the resources they have used. So shop number 1 used 150 power and 10 hours of duration, whereas in shop number 2 they used 130 manpower, 180 units and 13 hours. Here you can see that obviously resources are used more by shop number 2, though they have achieved the target. So we would say that shop number 2 and shop number 1 have the same effectiveness, whereas shop number 1 has more efficiency than shop number 2. And here this is a small diagram, and here we can see that efficiency is a measure of output versus the resources or whatever input we have given to the process, and whereas effectiveness is the measure of the comparison between the target output which is desired versus the output which is on actuals. So I hope you understood this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you to understand this, and keep watching to see more and more videos on quality. Thank you and stay tuned.